Is it time to replace your worn or broken drive belt on your RS1? Today I'm going to show you how to do that. My name's Kristen and this is Maintenance Matters. We started by removing the tire so that we can access the shock bolt. You'll go on ahead and slide that out. There we go. Go ahead and slide that out of the way so that you can remove your clutch cover. You'll want to loosen this clamp up so that you can get your air hose off. Remove all 9 screws that hold your clutch cover on. You're going to open up the sheaves on your secondary clutch using the tool that was in your Polaris factory toolkit. Now that the sheaves are open, you'll be able to remove your belt. As you pull the belt off, you'll want to double check and make sure the riding's facing the correct way. If you're putting the same belt back on, you'll put it back on the same direction it came off. As you're inspecting your clutch, you'll want to check for any dirt or debris. Wipe everything down really good. If there's any debris from the belt, you can use brake cleaner to remove any excess belt dust. As you're wiping down the sheaves of your primary and secondary clutch, you'll want to check for any grooving or nicks or marks in the clutch. If there are any marks or grooving, you'll need to contact your Polaris dealership and get a replacement. When inspecting the belt, you'll check for any kind of cracks or wear on the belt or on the belt teeth. This one looks like it's in good shape, so we'll go ahead and reinstall this one. If yours has any cracks or wears, you will need to replace it. Now you can go ahead and remove your clutch tool. And spin your secondary clutch to get your belt retightened. To be sure that your belt's tightened, you'll check the teeth and make sure that it's in line with the outside diameter of the secondary. Go ahead and reinstall all your components. That's how easy it is to change your belt. Happy riding!